Hey, I'm Andrew, and in this video, we're going to talk about how you can make great product demos with mmhmm. Now, the first thing that you should know is if you're doing your product demo live on a video conferencing call, that's no problem because mmhmm integrates seamlessly with Zoom, Google Meet, WebEx, and Microsoft Teams. All you have to do in your video conferencing settings is select the mmhmm camera. And instead of this, where you're up in the corner presenting solo by yourself, disconnected from your content, you can show up like this, on stage with your content just as you designed it in mmhmm, and now your product demo is ready to go for your live presentation. Of course, mmhmm allows you to present your product demo live, or you can create a recording right in the app. Now, sometimes this is the best way to make a product demo video because you can create it in advance. You can nail it and say exactly what you mean without any of those live jitters or technical challenges of presenting live. And you can share a link to that video easily so that your audience can watch it on their own time at their own speed. But no matter which option you choose, mmhmm lets you stay connected to your content. That's the secret sauce of mmhmm. You're never disconnected from your content. Because we know that you are just as important as the product in your demo. If your audience is going to believe in your product, they need to believe in you first. And how you show up in your presentation is so key. So that's why we've given you so many ways to interact with your content. Let me just show you a few. You can move your slide to different sides of the stage. You can move yourself in position to your slide. You can make your slides full screen, and you can shrink yourself down into different positions. And now you have created so many different ways to impress your audience so they stay engaged with your product demo. And mmhmm supports so many content types. So whether you've got videos or images or GIFs or text slides, PDFs, older Keynote and PowerPoint slides that you've already built, or you want to share screen or connect your mobile device or even add additional cameras, all of those media types are possible inside of mmhmm, so you can have the best product demo possible. Something that I think is especially impactful in product demos to keep your audience engaged is dynamic content. And by that, I mean something like live websites. So you can bring your own browsers or other pages into your presentation and click around so that it feels like your presentation isn't overly staged and you have something fresh to share. And if the content you want to share is on a mobile device, connect your phone or iPad and be able to present exactly as it shows up in your mobile device. So as a reminder, if you want to lead a great product demonstration, don't do this. Don't put yourself into a tiny corner at the top of your screen, disconnected from your content, where your audience has to choose between looking at you or your content. Instead, do this. Do it the mmhmm way. Bring your visual slides over your shoulder so that you can have it as part of your presentation next to you and your audience can feel connected to you and the product you're demonstrating. We know you can do it. We know you've got this. We're cheering you on, and we feel confident because we've seen so many others in the past couple of years use mmhmm for amazing product demonstrations. So good luck on your next product demo, and be prepared for your audience to ask, what magic are you using? And if you need any help, just email us, help@mmhmm.app. We are ready to help answer your questions so that you can have the most impactful, most impressive product demo ever. All right, and with that, good luck. Thanks so much. See you soon.